Hey guys, welcome back to another journal with me video. Before we get started today, I wanted to quickly show you the new journal with me kit. This is the March kit, and as usual you get 3 sheets of cut apart or ephemera pieces. You get 1 full-sized envelope, and you also get 2 full-sized pattern papers to use however you like. So each kit has the same variety of stuff. It just gives you some fresh patterns and fresh colors and some new ephemera to play with each month. So this is the March kit. I'm going to be using it in today's video. So I want to give you a quick little glimpse at all the pieces that you get. I also wanted to share with you these tapes from the washi tape shop, because I have a bunch of these out on my desk that I plan to use in the video as well. And you can get 10% off at the washi tape shop with the code johanna10. The ephemera that I have today is just this very cute little elephant that my son made for me in kindergarten. And I'm also going into my flower press, and I'm pulling out the flowers that I pressed from the garden a few weeks ago. So there's just a couple here, and I'm going to put these through the laminator. So it's going to create like a clear little element in my journal page. So today, before I'm getting started, I'm just sort of preparing everything that I have. So the flowers, for example, I'm putting them through the laminator, as you see here, before I actually open up my journal and get started, so that all of the pieces that I have for journaling are all ready to go, and then I can just sit and play and not have to pull out things like my laminator or extra ephemera pieces or extra tapes. Everything's just laid out on my desk, and that just makes the journaling process really, really easy and smooth. I'm also cutting out the pieces from the March Journal With Me kit so that they're all ready to go. This will just make my journaling process so much faster and smoother, because I won't have to stop to cut out any fiddly little pieces or stop to prepare anything. Everything will just be ready to go. So you get a really nice variety in each kit. You get a lot of pieces that I've designed using the iPad, but you also get some vintage ephemera, and I try to include some interactive pieces as well, whether they are pockets or envelopes or other fun pieces. Like last time there was a little swiveling piece that you could use with a brad. And the idea of these kits is just to make your creative journaling process a little bit easier and give you a really nice variety of pieces that I personally like to use in my journals. So all the pieces kind of match each other as well each month, so there's very little thought that you have to put into accumulating decorative pieces. It's just all there ready to go, and you can still get really creative with these pieces as well. That's a big reason why I always like to include 2 full-size pattern papers as well, because you can do anything you want with scrapbook paper or patterned paper. You can make tags, envelopes, pockets. You can use them as backgrounds in the pages. You can make literally anything with them. So I really want the kits to be easy, but I also want to make sure that they're encouraging you to get creative as well. So I picked out this page in my journal and I just stuck down one of the illustrated linens from this kit straight on the page. I'm going to do some journaling on that later. And then I pulled out this elephant image from a children's encyclopedia. I'm going to match this with the little elephant piece that my son made for me quite a while ago. I just found this in my drawer and it's so cute. The way he spelled elephant is so cute. So I'm going to use that encyclopedia page to create a pocket, and then I'm going to tuck that little elephant inside so that I can always pull it in and out to look at it. I just created that pocket with double-sided tape around 3 edges, so I just left it open on the right side. And then I'm just going to seal in the middle of the page there with some tape. This one is also from the washi tape shop. Now on the page beside that, I'm going to attach the laminated flowers. So I'm taking some more tape, also from the washi tape shop. This is one of my favorite tapes at the moment, this beautiful floral. So I'm just using that to stick down the little laminated piece. So I'm putting tape on both sides so that when you open it in and out, it's nice and secure on the page. And then I'm just looking through the pieces from the kit, like this cute little pocket and tag, and I'm just working out what else I want to add to the page. And I decided on this little journaling card or picture frame piece up the top there. So I'm just gluing that down with my glue stick, and I'm again going to do some journaling on there later. Then these are some little washi tape strips, also from the March kit, and I'm just working out which one I want to use on this page. And I decided with the one in the middle, so the black background with the little floral design on top, and I just glued this along the bottom of the page just for a nice little piece of decoration. And then I'm taking some black acrylic paint and I'm just going to paint a few little splodges on the pages where I can do some more journaling, but this time with a white pen. So I just like to paint little sort of rectangular or circular shapes on the page, let it dry completely, and then go in with my white pen and do some journaling or some drawing. So I did one on both sides of the page. So I did 2 splodges. I did one on the first page that I was working on, and then I did a longer shape on the next page behind that. And this one sort of sits behind the pressed flowers, so you can sort of peek through. Because the flowers are a clear piece, you can peek through to the journaling, but it's also a little bit more hidden than what it would be if there was nothing on top, so it's just a nice little touch. And here is a look at the page so far. It's pretty much finished, but I did decide at this point to pull out some tickets from, again, the washi tape shop. You can get this really cool pack of vintage looking tickets, and it's really good value because you get hundreds of tickets in the pack. And I just thought it would be nice to add a little bit more decoration to the page that has the chickens on it. So I just picked the ticket that was on the top there, and with that I'm going to create a little sort of tab across the top of the page. So I just folded it and stapled it off the edge there, and I think that just adds a nice little touch and kind of makes the page feel a little bit more finished. And that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this journaling process today. I had so much fun making it for you. I hope you're all doing really well. I'll leave the links to everything down below in the description box. and I hope to see you in my next video.